In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Site Insights on WordPress.com. This is a simple WordPress tutorial designed specifically for beginners who want to get the most out of their WordPress experience. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you'll need to take. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your WordPress site. If you're not already logged in, this would be a good time to do so. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is user-friendly and is structured to help you access various features quickly and efficiently. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. You're just a few clicks away from gaining valuable insights. Now that you're in your dashboard, the next step is to click on Stats. You'll find the Stats option on the left-hand side of your screen. This section is crucial as it offers a detailed view of how your site is performing, including metrics like page views, unique visitors, and traffic sources. Exploring your site's statistics can be both fascinating and informative, helping you understand trends and identify areas for improvement. Once you've clicked on Stats, it's time to direct your attention to the Insights tab. The Insights feature provides a more comprehensive overview of your site's performance over time. It tracks metrics such as the most popular content, visitor demographics, and referral sources. However, there's an important note here. To access the full range of insights, you will need to purchase a plan from WordPress. If insights are essential to your strategy, it's worth considering upgrading to a plan that includes these features. Having access to insights is particularly beneficial if you're serious about growing your site's reach and engagement. They offer a deeper understanding of your audience's behavior, which can be invaluable for tailoring your content strategy and driving more traffic to your site. With this information, you can make informed decisions, such as which content topics resonate most with your audience, or which channels are most effective in bringing visitors to your site. To recap, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard, clicking on Stats, and then exploring the Insights tab if you have purchased the necessary plan. This step-by-step approach will allow you to immerse yourself in the analytics of your site, empowering you with the knowledge to grow and improve. Remember, these insights aren't just numbers. They're a story about how your audience interacts with your content. Use them to guide your decisions, optimize your site, and ultimately achieve your blogging or business goals. Thank you for watching and happy exploring with your WordPress site insights. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips and tutorials.